Welcome back again to another video on a Foxtecc, and in this one we talk about Instagram video shares. How to check Instagram video share? Well, it depends on the content that you're trying to figure out, because there are like videos from other people and there are also your own videos. So let's say that we get inside of the Instagram application, and let's say that you're browsing the reels or whatever, or you just check out someone else's profile and you want to see how many people were sharing that specific video. And when I just tap on this video, for example, you can see that here is the like button, the comments, and the shares, and underneath all of them is a number. And you can see that under the share section we have 151,000 shares. So you can see that this video has been shared this many times. And of course, you can check it out for any videos that you want. However, in case you publish content and you want to check out your engagement metrics like the shares and other content, you need to go to the profile section, and in here just locate any video that you want and just tap on view insights, and you can see how many times it has been liked, saved, and even shared. So it is really useful, right? So you can always just tap on this for any specific video or whatever, and you can do it this way. However, for more like analytics which apply to your account entirely, just click on this dashboard right here, and you can find all of the views, interactions, follows, and other stuff, and you have like more things to play with. So this is how it works on Instagram. Hope you found this video valuable. If you did, hit the thumbs up, subscribe below, and I will see you in the next video.